How to fix iPhone call no sound problem. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, open settings application in your mobile device. Now once you're inside settings, scroll below and then tap on Bluetooth. So you want to make sure that your mobile device is not connected to any Bluetooth. Once you're done checking it, head back to settings and then tap on sounds and haptics. Now from here, you want to go ahead and increase your ringtone and alert all the way to the end. And after you do so, make sure that change width button is toggled off. Now once done, head back to your home screen and then you'll have to make sure that your mobile device is not on silent mode. Once you turn off your silent mode on mobile device, check if the issue persists. If it still does not fix your issue, you want to go ahead and restart your mobile device. To restart it, simply tap on the volume up button and the power off button at the same time and then slide the slide to power off button. And once you restart your device, your problem will be fixed. And that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.